Dear students, we are going to start the third part of geometrical construction. Let us start this question. The question is to draw. It is the general method of drawing any polygon with a given length of it. Say the question will be given to you, and in that question the length of an edge will be given to you. For example, in this drawing, let us say the length of AB is 70 millimeters. So first what you do, draw this horizontal length AB of length 70 millimeters. Okay, and with this length of the edge, we'll see how to draw different polygons. After drawing this horizontal line, let us go to the next step. At B, draw a perpendicular BP, and this length BP should be exactly equal to the length of AB. That means if AB is 70 millimeters, BP should also be equal to 70 millimeters. After that, we have to join these 2 points A and P with a straight line in this P. Join the line AP. This line AP is in green color, so here also I have written as green color. Then the next step. With center at B and radius AB, draw an arc AP. Take your compass, this as you fix as a center at B, and this is the pencil. You start your compass and start your radius, take radius as AB, and from A to P draw one circular arc. After you draw the circular arc, it will look something like this. So I have drawn this arc AP with the help of a compass. Then the next step. After you have drawn this arc AP, what you do, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. The perpendicular bisector of AB, if you draw here, you start at the middle, to bisect AB exactly at the middle, and it is also perpendicular to the line AB. In this manner, if you draw one perpendicular bisector, this perpendicular bisector, this line, perpendicular line, will cut this line AP at 4 and this circular arc at 6. You take the measurement of 4 to 6. Say it is 20 millimeter. I don't know how much. You measure it with your pencil and a scale. Let us say that the length of 4 and 6 is 20 millimeter. It can be anything else. You have to measure it. After you measure it 4 to 6, you divide this 4 to 6, the length between 4 to 6 in equal parts, and mark the middle point as 5. Then how much it will be? If the entire length is 20 from 4 to 6, if I put one point here, it will be at 5. It will be, say, let us say, at the middle of 6 and 4, I put 1.5, and it will be of length 10. That means if 4 to 6 is 20, then 4 to 5 will be 10, and 5 to 6 will be 10. Similarly, if this is 10, 4 to 5 is 10, 5 to 6 is 10, then you extend the points beyond point 6 also, and mark the point as 7, 8, 9. The length should be equal. That means 4 to 5 should be 10, 5 to 6 should be 10, 6 to 7 should be 10, 7 to 8 should be 10, 8 to 9 also should be 10 millimeter. In this way, you plot the points in this perpendicular bisector and give the name as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is very important to follow in this manner because the numbers will be helpful later on. So let us start from 5 itself and not any other number. After this step, looks like this. Then what you do, you take your compass, fix the center at 4, and take a radius as 4b. This length you take the radius and draw one circle. See this line, Draw circle with center at 4 and radius as 4b. Inscribe a square in the circle. First what you do, you take 4 at center, 4b as the radius and draw one circle like this. In this one, the circle will look like this. Now inside this circle, you draw a square. How? Because AB and BP is already there. You simply join the remaining points to complete the square. AB and BP is there. You draw one horizontal line here, one vertical line here. The final square will look like this. So initially I had AB and BP only, but after this circle, inside this circle I have inscribed one horizontal line, one perpendicular line. So finally, this is how to draw a square. Remember this, I have marked here 4. 4 means 4 sides of a square. Then come to the next step. Now, here I have taken 4. Now come to the upper point, just immediately above 4. The point is 5. Now take 5 as the center and radius as 5b. And similarly, draw one more circle. It will look like this. Inside the circle, what you do, you draw a pentagon. Since it is number of given 5, so here you have to draw 5 sides. Now how to draw these sides? Pay attention here. So take your compass. First you, in this circle, the radius is not changing. The center was 5, that is fixed. The radius was 5b, that is also fixed. So what you do, take your compass, first this compass, you take don't change the radius, you take the compass and draw one arc here at this point. You mark one point here. Then lift up your compass, don't change the distance of don't change this radius, 5b, and again from here up till here, draw one arc. Similarly, draw one arc here and finally draw one arc. After you have drawn all the arcs, to complete this, all the points, you will get 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. After you got all these points, simply join these points in this. And then you can get this final pentagon. Similarly, you come to the upper point, 6 this time. And take the center as 6, radius is 6b. And then again, draw one circle. Like this. And inside the circle, the number you see, 6. So here, 6 sides will come. And the name will be hexagon. You don't change the radius, keep the radius fixed as 6b and mark 1 point here, mark 1 point here. Similarly, you will get all the points. And after you get the points, you simply join these points, and finally you get this hexagon. Similarly, you can draw for any number of points. See, this is 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can draw any number of points. For this particular numerical, we have done up till 9. So you draw up till 9 number of sides. Okay. But 9 will be a little bit difficult for you to draw. So let us keep up till 7. I will give you up till 7. So heptagon. You can stop up till heptagon. Okay. And final diagram, it should look like this. Alright. So this is your third part of the geometrical construction. Now coming to your assignment. This assignment is your drawing number 5. You write here the college name, the name of the college, you write here, the start form, then the title should be geometrical construction, you write your name, whatever your name is, then your roll number, if allotted by, I will put my signature here, drawing number 5, and symbol you keep as it is. The final drawing should look like this. In this paper, all the drawing for the geometrical construction 1, 2 and 3, everything will come, and the final drawing sheet would look like this. If sufficient space is not there, you can take an extra sheet also. Okay, your seniors have done, and it looks something like this. they were able to draw in one figure only. So some extra figures they have done. This figure they did some extra. We'll do it later on. For time being, you can see how they have done, and you can proceed as it is. Thank you.